Hello, everyone. As I mentioned in the webinar, we have an integration between our PRM and our CRM, which are Keyflow and Pipedrive, that is made via Zapier, as Pipedrive and Keyflow have not any native integration so far. So I want to show you just how we did it, and I'm always happy to give you any suggestion or any recommendation or receive any feedback if you have any after seeing the video. So this is the structure of the ZEP. As you can see, it's made in 4-step. And the case that we want to cover is that every time we mark a deal as one in one of our pipelines, inbound or outbound for solution providers or resellers, we want a partner to be created in Keyflow. So we actually work with a combination of automations and filters inside Pipedrive, and then the ZEP that you see here in front of you. So just for you to see the automation that we have inside Pipedrive. So we have in here that every time a deal is updated, and the conditions are that the deal is either in one of our inbound or outbound pipelines for solution providers and resellers, and that the deal status hasn't changed to 1 and not any update. We will update the contact person in this field. Is in Keyflow? Yes. So this is the automation that we have. And so once the person enters as this field, yes, is in Keyflow, what we do is that we create this type of filter. So we want to see only the person who is in Keyflow, yes. Organization is, for instance, Gold Solution Provider. Since we have 4 different tiers, we differentiate the ZEPs according to the tier. And then here put it's me. And now you can probably more understand why the triggering here is not update deal, but person matching filter. Since I will have also to create a contact in Keyflow and not an actual deal, I prefer to use this mechanism of having an automation and a filter, so that in here I can have the filter person matching filter. Every time there is a deal won in those pipeline, the contact is in Keyflow filled in and enters a filter. And when it enters this filter, as in here, Pipedrive Keyflow via Zapier Solutions Provider, then it will create a partner in Keyflow. And you can see here, just put out the informations from all the information from Pipedrive in here to create the dead partner. I also had to add an extra step because the organization, I wanted to import also the country of the organization, but it was not one of the fields that I could retrieve from here. So I just used the find step. Basically, the find step in Zapier helps you to retrieve those information that are not available in the previous steps. And in here, I went to find by name my organization. And then I updated again the partner in Keyflow just to add the country, or also like if there is data, the website, since both fields are connected to the organization, not to the person, and I was not able to retrieve them from here. So this is what we are using now in order to have all our partners automatically saved in Keyflow once we win a deal in Pipedrive. I hope this can be helpful for everyone. And as I said before, I am very open for any questions or suggestions.